Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an Apple TV that keeps blinking with a white light. This usually means the device is stuck during startup or there's a firmware issue, but you can fix it with a few quick steps. First, unplug the Apple TV from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds so the device fully shuts down. After that, plug it back in and check if the light becomes solid. A cold restart is often enough to fix the issue. If the light is still blinking, the next thing to look at is the remote. Sometimes a malfunctioning remote can cause the blinking. Move the remote far away from the Apple TV and watch the light. If it stops blinking, the remote is the problem. Reset it by holding the TV or Control Center button and the volume down button together for about 5 seconds. After the reset, try using the Apple TV again. If your Apple TV has a USB-C port, you can restore the system software. Connect the Apple TV to your computer using a USB-C cable. On a Mac, open Finder, and on a Windows PC, open iTunes. Your computer should detect the Apple TV and give you an option to restore it. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the software reinstall. If none of these methods work, or if your Apple TV doesn't have a USB-C port, then the issue may be hardware-related. In that case, the only solution is to contact Apple support and have them check the device. And that's how you can fix an Apple TV that's blinking with a white light.